best windshield cleaners ensure crystal clear visibility, reduce glare, enhance driving safety, and remove dirt, grime, and road contaminants effectively. My today's video is about top 5 best windshield cleaners for clarity that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Maxlone 20-ounce car spray with Trifene. Maxlone car spray delivers a revolutionary, waterless car wash experience that eliminates the need for hoses, buckets, or complicated cleaning setups. Just spray and wipe to achieve a professional-level clean and shine anywhere, whether at home or on the go. Powered by its advanced Trifene formula, it forms a strong hydrophobic barrier that repels water, dirt, road salts, and grime far more effectively than traditional waxes or cleaners. This not only reduces cleaning time but also provides longer-lasting protection for your vehicle's surface. It enhances deep color clarity and leaves a mirror-like finish on paint, metal, trim, and glass, effectively replacing multiple detailing products with one solution. Built for extreme durability, it withstands high temperatures up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit and protects against UV rays, acid rain, and harsh chemicals. Eco-friendly and highly concentrated, just 2 ounces can treat an entire vehicle, making it a cost-effective and powerful all-in-one detailing solution. Now our second product is Invisible Glass Aerosol Glass Cleaner Spray. Invisible Glass Cleaner stands out as a top-performing solution for achieving crystal clear, streak-free glass both in vehicles and at home. Designed for automotive excellence, it delivers a brilliant shine that instantly improves visibility and enhances the overall appearance of windows and windshields. Its deep cleansing foam formula effectively breaks down and lifts stubborn contaminants such as road grease, grime, dirt, fingerprints, salt, and mud, leaving glass looking nearly invisible. The advanced Clear Dry technology ensures a flawless finish with no streaks, drips, or messy residue, and it avoids soaps, dyes, and strong scents that often cause buildup. Safe and ammonia-free, it is ideal for all glass types, including tinted windows, windshields, and even stainless steel surfaces. Proudly made in the USA, this cleaner reflects high-quality formulation and dependable performance. For drivers who prioritize safety, clarity, and a spotless finish, Invisible Glass Cleaner is a reliable and professional-grade choice. Our third product is Chemical Guys CLD 300 Streak-Free Glass. Streak-Free Glass Cleaner is a reliable everyday solution for achieving spotless, crystal clear glass without the hassle of streaks or residue. Designed as a go-to cleaner, it effectively removes dirt, dust, fingerprints, grease, oil, and grime, leaving surfaces looking freshly polished and highly transparent. Its advanced formula ensures a truly clean finish with no spots or stains, creating the illusion of invisible glass after every use. One of its standout features is the inclusion of static inhibiting agents, which help reduce dust attraction caused by friction from wiping, keeping surfaces cleaner for longer. The ammonia-free composition makes it safe for all glass types, including tinted windows, without risking damage or discoloration. Unlike harsh chemical cleaners that can leave behind stains or harmful fumes, Streak-Free offers a gentle yet powerful cleaning experience. Ideal for automotive and home use, it delivers consistent clarity, safety, and ease of use in every application. Now number 4, Lane's Concentrated Auto Glass Cleaner. Lane's Concentrated Glass Cleaner is a powerful, professional-grade solution designed to restore crystal clear visibility to all automotive glass surfaces. Formulated with advanced active components, it effectively breaks down and lifts dirt, dust, and debris, delivering a deep and thorough clean with minimal effort. One of its strongest advantages is its ability to eliminate tough interior residue, including oily films, smoke haze, and environmental buildup caused by daily driving conditions. This makes it especially effective for maintaining windshield clarity and improving driving safety. Its concentrated streak-free formula removes smudges, fingerprints, and marks while leaving no haze or residue behind. Despite its strong cleaning performance, it remains ammonia-free and safe for all glass types, including tinted windows. The easy-to-use spray application ensures even coverage. Simply spray, let it sit briefly, and wipe with a microfiber cloth. Overall, Lane's delivers a reliable, high-performance cleaning experience for both professional detailers and everyday drivers. And our last choice is Bolsnot Visable Glass Cleaner Foam Spray. Visable by Bolsnot Streak-Free Glass Cleaner is a heavy-duty yet user-friendly solution designed to deliver crystal-clear results across multiple surfaces. Engineered with a fast-acting foaming formula, it clings effectively to vertical glass, allowing it to break down stubborn dirt, grease, and grime without dripping or running. This ensures a more controlled and efficient cleaning process, making it feel almost effortless to achieve a spotless finish. Once wiped away, it leaves no streaks, haze, or residue, producing a truly invisible clean that enhances visibility and appearance. Its ammonia-free composition makes it safe and comfortable to use, reducing harsh chemical concerns while still maintaining strong cleaning power. Versatility is another key strength, as it performs well on automotive glass, interior and exterior windows, shower glass, fireplace glass, and household mirrors. Built for tough grime yet gentle enough for everyday use, Visable stands out as a dependable, all-purpose glass cleaner for both home and automotive needs. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.